Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the chair on a stable surface with good light. This prevents tipping and gives access to underside screws. Once done, remove any cushions or covers that hide fasteners and collect a Phillips #2, Allen keys, a small flathead, and a parts tray. This saves time. You should photograph the armrest position and each screw location so reassembly is exact. That matters because manufacturers vary in screw length and orientation, and mixing them up can damage the seat. You now expose the top mounting screws and begin loosening them, but don't fully remove all fasteners at once. Keep one or two partially threaded so the armrest won't fall. Next, flip the chair carefully and locate the underseat bracket screws. Support the armrest with your free hand while you finish removing the remaining screws. Once detached, lay bolts out in a labeled pattern by length because shorter and longer bolts are not interchangeable. This prevents stripping or misalignment when you put things back. You should lift the armrest straight away once all screws are out, checking for any hidden plastic clips or snap rivets that might still hold it. Forcing the part can break housings. If rivets are present, drill them out with a bit that matches the rivet diameter, use eye protection, and go slow to avoid enlarging the hole. Finally, reinstall any replacement fasteners, torque evenly, test the chair for wobble and function, and if movement persists, recheck bolt lengths and bracket alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.